Hello and welcome. I'm Bob Belf, and today I'm going to talk to you about date-driven pricing in Webster Commerce. So I recently had a customer ask me how to do a particular scenario when Oracle RPM manages all their pricing. So they do all the pricing over in Oracle RPM, and they just want Webster Commerce to be able to show the price and to be able to pick the right price according to the logic they set up. So here's the letter from the customer. We use Oracle RPM to manage our prices. We have three prices we would like to control by start and end dates: a list price, a clearance price, and a promotional price. When specified, we would like clearance price to supersede the list price and the promotional price to supersede the clearance price. Here's an example. List price is always effective with just the starting date. We have a clearance price that is set for the next 2 months. And in the same 2 months, we have a weekend special promotion price. Can you set this up in Webster Commerce so we can understand how to use the precedence field? So, yes, we can. And I'm going to show you this in the tooling. I'm going to show you a couple secrets in the tooling that you can use to expose some of these fields. And I will tell you this, the stuff that I'm showing you doesn't matter if the data came from an external system or you're entering it right there on the form. It all works the same way. So let's go ahead and get started. So what we do here is we start with our butter, and we're going to use this product and its SKU, and we're going to come down and we're actually going to look at the pricing section. So let's just make sure this is it. We've got the butter. And now one of the things you have to do here is we have to expose some fields. So these are the three prices that were actually imported from Oracle, but we don't see some of the other critical fields. So let's go ahead and uncheck these. We're going to do the description, and we'll go ahead and do the start and end date and the precedence field. So you can see here in our base price, we go ahead and it's basically always enabled because it has a start date without an end date. And then we go ahead and we have a clearance price, which starts on 6/1 to 7/1. And that is basically has a precedence of 1. So the last one, which is the promotion price, we can go ahead and just do it for a weekend within that same month, and we'll set that precedence to 3. So basically, if all three of these prices are in play and the dates match, the one with the highest precedence will win. So let's go ahead and test the base. We're not going to change the current date, so it's basically today, and it should get the base price. So you can see there, we have the base price, matches the base price. Now let's go and we'll go ahead and do the next one, which is the clearance price. And we're going to go ahead and set it for the appropriate month. So we'll go ahead and change the date here. Okay, that should be good. And now we should see the clearance price, and we do. And we can also look at the information up here saying, hey, we're using site preview, and we're in the month of June. And we'll go ahead and try this on the weekend. So we'll go ahead and pick Sunday, which is on the weekend. And now we should see the promotion price. Okay, that's pretty much it. So one of the things I didn't show in there is, we also have the ability to use a strategy of the lowest price wins. So as an example, if you do have multiple offers in the system for a particular SKU and they all have the same precedence, the Webster Commerce system is going to pick the lowest price for the customer. At least that's how it's configured initially. Another thing you might want to check out is this display price ranges in the storefront. You may have to enable that in order to get date-driven price overrides to work in your system. And that's it. So if you like this video, check out my blog, like my video, and thank you for watching.